Yo, what is up guys, it's Zane here and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we're going to be going over the new Galaxy set bundle with the pickaxe, glider, skin and new back bling, and we're going to be going over some gameplay, what it looks like in game, what the glider sounds like, what the pickaxe and so on and so forth, and how you can get it completely free. This is the Galaxy skin. It is just part of the Galaxy set. The description reads victory is written in the stars, and if you can see, if you look, let me take the back bling off first. So you can see on the actual skin, if you move around, like the Galaxy moves around in it, you can see this little blue thing across his head. Well, it goes around like this, like the stars orbiting. It's on his pretty much everywhere. Then we'll go to the back bling. It's called the galactic disc. The description reads light years ahead of the rest, and that's pretty much it. It's just like a galactic disc kind of thing. This is the pickaxe, sounds like that. It's called the stellar axe. The stars are aligned is the description. It's pretty cool, one of the best pickaxes. This is the discovery. Description reads explore the galaxy. And then there should be pretty soon, there should be a Galaxy wrap for the weapons and the vehicles and all that, and there should be a, if I'm not mistaken, a spray with llama. I'll put that on screen right now. So I'll just show you like what ADSing looks like and everything, what the pickaxe sounds like in game and what it sounds on players. So let's just go into a playground mode. So I'm back in game now, and this is what the Galaxy set looks like in game. You can see if you turn around, the actual star pattern moves around like in every direction on the top compass. You can see it looks different in northwest than what it actually looks in east, which is a pretty cool feature. It does that with the pickaxe as well. So I'll show you what the pickaxe sounds like on breaking stuff. I'll break a couple things here. It's pretty much just the Galaxy pickaxe, the default pickaxe, just with like the Galaxy stuff on it, and you can see when you actually hit stuff, it's like a Galaxy effect comes up, which is a really nice feature. I'll show you redeploy and like taking out the pickaxe. So I know what it sounds like when you're hitting it. Hitting the floor, and we'll see what it looks like when ADS from the skin. So the back bling kind of gets in the way because it's kind of bright, but it's alright. The only problem is you can sometimes see, do you know, the blue thing above his head going around in the scope of your sniper, which can throw off your aim a little bit, but otherwise it's alright. I think that's just with hunting rifles. And I'll show you the glider now. Build up. So that's what the glider sounds and looks like. It's a pretty nice glider in my opinion. And now I'll show you some skin combos you can do with the Galaxy skin, what it looks like on other skins, and some gameplay. So now I'm gonna show you what the Galaxy back bling, the galactic disc, looks like on a couple other skins. I think around 42, maybe give or take a couple, maybe 50. So not got all the skins in the game, but I've got a lot, like for example season 3 to season 7 skins, pretty much all the Battle Pass skins. So here's the first one, Havoc, legendary skin, looks pretty good. Red Knight, I wouldn't do it in my honest opinion, but can still go. Rose team leader, looks alright. wall paint, Galaxy, obviously Rabbit Raider, Nogops, the Commando skin, Snowclops, the Wingman, and I'm just gone ahead and favorited all the non-battle pass skins. Skull Trooper, I'll show you with the white one. 1 second. So about that. And the Rook. It's a decent combo. What was this one called? Rogue Agent. That was a starter pack skin from season 3. The Rapscallion. This skin goes with a lot of back blings, quite good. This is the main combo I go with. Aim, wouldn't really do it. Calamity, yeah, it looks good with the purple one actually. That looks decent. Carbide, yeah, nah, I don't know. Dark Voyager, Dire. I'll show you the different styles of Dire with it. Different clothing. Alright, and then we've got Drift from season 5. We've got the Enforcer. Got Lynx. I'll show you. I think I've got that stage 2, stage 1, and then we've got it's got that glitch again. Then we got Omega. This particularly looks good with the first stage of Omega, but it does look good with the rest. The final stage looks best with purple. And then we've got the Ragnarok. Wouldn't really go for it myself. John Wick goes with pretty much every back bling, so it's pretty good. We got the Visitor, the Valor, the Zenith. This is a tier 1 from this season. Battlehawk, DJ Yonder, that Tomato Head one, Nightshade, Mission Specialist. No, this is the Moonwalker, sorry. Mission Specialist, Huntress, just a Troll skin, the Fable, Elite Agent, that goes decently well. Dusk, that all goes well because it's got purple in it. Red Lion, wouldn't go for it myself. Rust Lord, not really. The Sergeant Winter, not really. What his name is, Squad Leader, not really. Sub Commander, that goes well. Summit Striker, not really. Suntan Specialist. Then we've got Zoe, Twitch Prime skin, the Ace, and Technique. And now I'm going to tell you how you get the skin for completely free. So all you have to do is for example, if you can find a relative or a friend or someone who has a Note 9 and has not already done this, all you have to do is really easy, and it takes about 10 minutes maximum. So you go to their you go on their phone, download Fortnite from the Samsung App Store, log into your account, play 3 games without leaving the game. You can't exit, you have to die or you have to win and then return to the lobby, otherwise it doesn't count. And then as soon as you have done that, give it about say 24 to 48 hours max. I only waited like 12 and I got it, and they'll come into your locker as shown now. That's what it looked like. It will be the, well, they said it would look like a present box, but I just got it like that instead. Here's your prize from the Samsung promotion, and you have to do this quickly because it ends on December 31st if I'm not wrong. and that's the last day you can do it, otherwise you can never get the galaxy skin again. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been Zane, and hopefully I'll be back with another video next week. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn post notifications on, and peace out.